First time I've come to Brickell City Center. This is like a small mall, not very big, gigantic mall, but that's okay. Everyone will say, have you been to Brickell City Center? It's still down over there, people all sitting. Miami is famous only for beach. Beach and good looking South American people. Everyone are taking photo there only. What is special there? I came from there. This is the view you get. Everyone are taking the same photo. Getting a photo there. Some photos from this spot. Okay, but not very clear. A lot of people take this is like a photo place with this backdrop over here. And oh my, okay, so photo is not very clear because the sunlight should fall for us. If not, we look dark. So a lot of people take their photos. Okay, and let me go around right now. This is the Apple shop. Have you seen the Apple Vision Pro? Vision Pro, you have to check it. It's a $3,500. $3,000 plus it is, and it is like the same. That fellow is also coming out. Mark Zuckerberg also is coming out with something like that. I don't know whether you can record inside this shop. Can you record? No, you're not supposed to record. Okay, but where is Vision Pro? Can I have a demo of a Vision Pro right now?
You can speak to my friends over there, but no, you're not able to record. I'm sorry, sir.
No recording. I'll stop recording right now, but I want Vision Pro demo. No video recording, but you see people sitting over there with the Vision Pro headset. Let me go outside because it won't no recording inside. Okay, so I'll be taking a demo of the Vision Pro. What they have put on their head over there, on their face, you can see over there. Let me expand it. Can you see that? Okay, that's a computer. If you do not know, it's a full computer. You can use your finger and type on that. See, they are typing there. He's using his fingers over there. Can you see that? Okay, let me make it bigger. See there. They will type over there. Can you see that? In the air you have to type. See? Can you see? They are touching. Okay? That's a computer. I'm going to take a demo of it. Oh gosh, that's the bloody car. Okay, I'm going to take a demo of it in another 5:30. At 5:30 p.m. because last time and all they give 1 day time for taking a demo. So now it will be in half an hour. Another 30 minutes I have to come. So I will see whether it is worth buying or not because I've already purchased Apple product. I'm not a big fan of Apple product because there's a lot of reasons for it. Okay, and but I'll take the demo of Vision Pro. You can Google Vision Pro. In India it is about 2.5 lakh rupees. 2.5 lakh or 3 lakh rupees. Nearly 2,50,000 rupees is that computer. It's a computer which you put it on your face and you can sit relax anywhere on a beach or anywhere in a park, and your computer will become as big as one 120 inches screen. In front of you it will become like a 120 inch screen. and you can type using your fingers. When you type in front of you, you will see like as if you are really typing. So people are sitting and doing their work. So there's a nice place to meet people. So I'm just going around. Another 30 minutes later I have to be over there and take a demo of it. I do not know whether it will strain your eyes, because in your laptop you can look here and there. Laptop or computer you can look here and there. But here what happens is you are totally focused. Okay? Maybe after half an hour or 1 hour, after half an hour you will feel a problem. But it is very expensive. About $3,000 it is. More than 3,300 or something like that. So every side I am walking. That person, one devotee from Finland, he stayed in India for 10 years. Okay. So nothing is there, just you escape game. So let me stop for a few minutes.